Hello, welcome back. So I'm trying to complete the later part of my previous video. So for the part one of the video, I actually downloaded these point layers from OpenStreetMap, and I said I was going to show you how you can actually bring in road layers from OpenStreetMap also. So I think we just have to get down to that. I hope you still have the data we used for the very first time, but if you don't have it, so the best way for you to do is just probably go through the last video. It's actually illustrates how best you can get to do that. So let's get down to business. Well, so from where we stopped, I spoke about the OpenStreetMap layer. So you could you don't need to download data again, so you just still do your exports topology from specialized data, so we can easily push from here and our database file, then come to polylines. So we have name here, running that fine. So let's say we are getting we're not getting buildings, so we're getting highways, we're getting bicycle footpaths, so and let's say we're getting which other way should we get? Let's look for some other ones that I know. So Mato Road. So you need to understand the tags, because OSM mixes of different it's a crowdsourced platform, so different people give different names to different things, to the same features. So you just have to figure out what exactly you're looking for, depending on what you're doing. So yeah, I think that's fine. Let's just go with this straight. Okay, it's downloading it again, so you just have to give it some time. Oh, beautiful. So now we have our point layers. We have our polylines. So you see, you can see the roads, right? So if you come to your property, your attribute table, so you find your highways, so you have a lot. So you see types of highways, residential roads, you have secondary, so you have those classifications. So let's try to visualize it in that manner. So same thing. I will still, some of these days I'm gonna come up with a video on how you can actually have custom styling on QGIS. So that is it. So let's just do categorized and make it based on the highway type to classify. Remove this empty guy, so we can see apply. See, we have our road classes. So I bet it that this residential is this one, so you have more of residential. But I think this just solves a lot of issues. So you have a lot of problems solved if you have something like this. So quickly, let me go into polygons. So let's do polygons, same approach. We'll come back here, export topology, import your data, give you polygons, load from database, just choose building, so you can automatically see the number of features that has this, right? So let's say we're loading all our polygons. What it's best approach for you could just change the name of your file here. It's really heavy, really heavy, so beautiful. So we have this, plus we have all of our buildings, so this showing different building types. So we have this. So the best way to work around this is use our filter as usual. So we can filter it. It's a building. So we can say equals to I'm trying to see how we can. Okay, so let's use building not equals to which of them. Building not equals to residential test. Wow, why? Oh, sorry. Tests. You see, so we have something better. Let me remove the border, transparent border. Beautiful. So we have all of our buildings. So quick one, very quick one. So let me overlay, let me bring in area map. So bring this in, then you can see what we've done. Oh, beautiful. All this is getting interesting for you. So another trick I need to do, because we are using another layer, let me bring this in and have a black background, and give this a transparent feel so you can see the buildings. So this is it. Then you can try to start imagining the amount of work that you can do with all of this, of the wealth of data that you have from OpenStreetMap. Yeah, I hope this tutorial video has helped you in a way. I would like you to give your comments and like my channel. So you expect the later parts, so some other video, or you could probably just go through my channel to see what videos could solve your problems, and feel free to contact me. I have my email address, my personal email address on my channel, so you can contact me. Let's talk, let's see how we can solve our problems, and whatever we need to do for ourselves. Thank you very much.